Evolution. Evolutionary biology is the study of history of life forms on earth, the evolution of life on earth, different changes in flora and fauna around earth that coexist along with human beings also forms part of evolution. Origin of life. The origin of life is considered unique events in the history of universe. Huge cluster of galaxies comprises the universe. Galaxies contain stars and clouds of dust and smoke. Big Bang theory attempts to explain the origin of universe. According to this history theory, a huge explosion occurs that forms the different galaxies in solar system of Milky Way galaxies. Earth has been supposed to be formed about 4.5 billion years ago. There was no atmosphere in Earth, early Earth. Water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, and ammonia released from molten mass covered the Earth's surface. UV rays from sun splits the water into hydrogen and oxygen. Life appeared 500 million years after the formation of Earth. The, there are different theories regarding the origin of life on Earth. Some scientists believe that life comes from other planets. Early Greek thinker thought that unit of life is called spores transferred from other planets. According to the other theory, life comes out of dead and decaying matters like straw and mud. This theory is called theory of spontaneous origin. Louis Pasteur experimentally proved that life arises only from pre-existing life. Spontaneous theory of origin of life is dismissed after that. Hoffman and Haldane proposed that the first form of life could have come from pre-existing non-living organic molecules like RNA and protein etc. The formation of life preceded biochemical evolution. At that time, conditions on Earth were high temperature, volcanic eruption, reducing atmosphere containing CH4 and NH3. Miller experiment of origin of life S. L. Miller in 1953 conducted an experiment to show the origin of life on Earth in the physical environment similar to condition prevails at the time. Miller created similar condition of temperature and pressure in laboratory scale. He created electric discharge in a flask containing CH4, H2, and NH3 and water vapor at 8000 centigrade. He observed formation of ammonia acids in flax after 15 days of electric discharge. Similar experiment by other scientists found formation of sugars, nitrogen bases, pigments, and fats. Analysis of meteorite content also reveals similar compounds that reveal that similar processes are occurring elsewhere in the space. This experiment of life, this experimental evidence about the origin of life is called chemical evolution of life. Experimental representation of Miller's experiment. Experimental representation of Miller's experiment. The first non-secular, the first non-cellular forms of life could have originated 3 billion years back. They could have been giant molecules like RNA, protein, and polysaccharide, etc. The cellular form of life was probably single cell and originated in water medium. The theory that first form of life arose slowly through evolutionary forces from non-living molecules is called biogenesis. Evidence of evolution. Evidence that evolution of life forms has taken place on Earth have many proofs are mentioned below. The first paleontological evidence, different as rock sediments contains fossils of different life norms forms that probably died during the formation of particular sediment fossils or remains of hard parts of life forms found in rocks. The study showed that different forms varied over time and certain life forms are restricted geological time span. Hence, new forms of life have arisen at different times in history of Earth. Second, homologous organs. Those organs that perform different functions but have similar origin and structure are called homologous organs. For example, human, cheetah, bat, and whales share similarities in patterns of bones of forelimbs, although these forelimbs perform different functions in these animals. In these animals, similar structure developed along different dissection direction due to adoption of different needs. This is called divergent evolution. 3. Analogous structures. They are not automatically similar organs. but perform similar function. For example, eyes of mammals and octopus or flippers of penguin and dolphins. This is due to similar habitat that resulted in similar adaptive feature in different groups of organisms. This diet of evolution is called convergent evolution. 4. Biochemical evidence similarities in proteins and genes performing a given function among diverse organisms give hints to common ancestry. These biochemical similarities point to the same shared ancestry as structural similarity among diverse organisms.